Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming subscription, resource group, and that the Latch device is registered in Azure EOT Hub. This ensures you can push settings. Next, back up the existing Latch configuration. Save sensitivity, thresholds, and firmware details so you can revert. Then enable diagnostic logging and set retention to 30 days. This gives telemetry to verify changes. Once done, open the Azure portal, navigate to the device twin, and prepare to edit the desired properties for sensitivity. You now modify sensitivity in small, measurable steps and explain why. Abrupt jumps can destabilize behavior. Open the device twin and change desired. Sensitivity, debounce MS, and reporting interval S with a JSON patch. Then save and monitor. Use incremental changes, 10% or one-step increases, so you can correlate telemetry to each adjustment. Make sure to deploy through Azure Device Management or a direct EOT Hub twin update. This guarantees controlled rollouts and logs, each change for later analysis. You finish by validating changes against telemetry. Check event hubs, metrics, and diagnostic logs for increased false positives or missed events. This confirms the fix. If behavior is unstable, revert to your backup config immediately, then update the Latch firmware and confirm network latency is under 200 milliseconds. Make sure to run hardware self-tests to rule out mechanical issues. One key troubleshooting tip: compare pre-change and post-change logs side by side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.